What if I told you that the sleep advice you've been following could actually be accelerating memory loss after 60? A groundbreaking 2024 study from UC Berkeley followed 4,200 adults over age 60 for 5 years and discovered something remarkable. Those who optimized their sleep using one specific protocol improved memory consolidation by 64% and reduced Alzheimer's plaque accumulation by 41%. That's not a typo. The researchers were so surprised they partnered with 3 other major universities to validate the findings. Participants made just 4 simple adjustments to their nighttime routine, yet memory recall improved by 58% and brain tissue actually repaired itself rather than deteriorated with age. But here's what really got my attention. This protocol is so simple that 87% of participants implemented it immediately without any expensive equipment. Yet these changes improved deep sleep quality by 52% in just 2 weeks. Before we begin, tell us in the comments your age and where you're watching from. We read and reply to every comment. Now let's get started so you can protect your memory starting tonight. Why this matters for your brain. Your brain does something critical during deep sleep that it cannot do while awake. Scientists call it the glymphatic system, essentially a waste clearance mechanism that flushes out toxic proteins, including amyloid and tau, which are directly linked to Alzheimer's. Think of it like your brain's dishwasher running a cleaning cycle while you sleep. Here's the problem. After age 60, deep sleep naturally decreases from 20% to just 5% of your night. This reduction directly correlates with memory decline. Adults with poor sleep showed hippocampus shrinkage of 0.6% per year, your memory center literally shrinking. But here's the good news. Adults who optimized their sleep increased deep sleep by 47% within 3 weeks and showed 41% better memory recall after just 2 weeks. The 4-part sleep protocol. Component 1. Temperature optimization. Set your bedroom between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Research found that cool rooms promote 31% more deep sleep. Your core temperature naturally drops during sleep, and a cool room facilitates this. Here's the powerful technique. Take a warm shower 90 minutes before bed. When you get out, your core temperature drops rapidly, signaling deep sleep time. This increases deep sleep by 18% and helps you fall asleep 10 minutes faster. Component 2. Light management. Create complete darkness with blackout curtains or an eye mask. Even dim light reduces deep sleep by 42%. We're talking about a digital clock being enough to impact your brain health. Then get bright sunlight within 30 minutes of waking for at least 15 minutes. This sets your circadian rhythm and increases total deep sleep by 27%. Critical rule: eliminate all screens 2 hours before bedtime. Blue light suppresses melatonin by 50%. Adults who did this increased deep sleep by 34% within 1 week. Component 3. The wind-down ritual. Start 60 minutes before bed by dimming all lights. Use lamps instead of overhead lights. This increases natural melatonin by 23%. During the first 30 minutes, do calming activities. Read a physical book, gentle stretching, or light tasks. Avoid anything stimulating. At 30 minutes before bed, write down worries and tomorrow's tasks in a notebook. This cognitive offloading reduced time to fall asleep by 9 minutes and improved sleep quality by 23%. Your brain can finally let go because you've created an external backup. Component 4. Sleep position and breathing. Sleep on your side, not your back. Side sleeping enhances waste clearance by 25%, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to flush out toxic proteins more effectively. Use a body pillow to stay comfortable. Once in bed, practice 4-7-8 breathing. Breathe in through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 7 counts, exhale through your mouth for 8 counts. Repeat 4 times. This activates your relaxation response, reducing time to fall asleep by 12 minutes while increasing initial deep sleep by 19%. The research results. A University of Wisconsin study following 800 adults over 60 for 8 years found those with quality sleep showed 73% lower dementia risk. Sleep quality predicted cognitive performance better than education, exercise, or even genetic risk factors. UC San Diego found that one night of poor sleep increased Alzheimer's protein levels, while good sleep reduced them. Your brain literally cleans itself during deep sleep. Adults who optimized sleep showed 47% better decision-making, 52% better learning ability, and 39% improved emotional stability. Start tonight. Week 1, focus on temperature and wind down. Set the thermostat to 67 degrees. Take that warm shower 90 minutes before bed, dim lights an hour before sleep, and do the cognitive offloading notebook. Week 2, add light management. Install blackout curtains, eliminate screens 2 hours before bed, get morning sunlight. Week 3, refine sleep position and breathing. Practice side sleeping and 4-7-8 breathing nightly. The key is consistency. Go to bed and wake at the same time daily, even weekends. Irregular schedules reduce brain benefits by 40%. Be patient. Most notice improvements within 2 weeks. Full optimization takes 6 to 8 weeks. Your brain needs this. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a biological necessity for memory consolidation and cognitive function. Every hour of quality deep sleep protects your brain's health and your independence as you age. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest sleep challenge? Falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking unrested? Which component will you implement tonight? Share in the comments below. If this helped you, hit that like button so more seniors can discover this information, and subscribe for more brain health tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to your sharpest mind and best sleep starting tonight.